Parrish & Sons Construction, we're not just building foundations for structures. We're building foundations for communities. Every rock we spread, every structure we excavate for, creates opportunities, jobs, homes, and hope for tomorrow. Construction is more than just a business. It's a responsibility. A responsibility to innovate, to uplift, and to push boundaries. We're empowering the next generation by building more than just structures. We're creating spaces where communities thrive. We don't wait for change, we build it. This is our city, and we're building it together.